you see me good?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, what's up guys? Darius here, aka The Creator, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This channel basically consists of cars, and more cars. Basically, I'm gonna show you my love for cars with reviews, projects, and how-to. You might get a few car reviews here, you might get a few projects there, or how-tos, not sure yet. It really depends on how I'm feeling that day, basically. But anyways, if you're watching this video, that means you are new to the channel, or you just really bored and you just clicked on the video. It's okay, I do it too. It's alright. But anyways, I just wanted to thank y'all for taking the time out y'all day to watch my videos. If you are interested in the channel, please like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Share it to other people that like cars, or they just want to watch something random like certain people out there right now. It's okay, I know. I seen y'all out there. But anyways guys, thank you for watching this video, and hopefully you enjoy my channel as much as I'll enjoy my channel. You might see more cars, you might see more of this. It's my 98 Mach 1 that I did a project on. You can revert and watch the whole series on it. But yeah, it's a working project, but we're gonna get it done and we're gonna grow together, right? See you guys next time.